guys, so I'm making red lentils moi-moi. I'm making red lentils moi-moi. So I soak it in water since yesterday so that it can be softened. So I'm going to wash up it. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it. Then use my it's smelling like beans. So I'm going to wash it. Then these are my pepper that we use. I'm going to add more pepper. This is it. Something I will add it. Not too bad. I'm going to use my pot that I usually use to cook moi-moi. I'll put water inside it. Okay. I'll put water inside. You add some more water. Then I'm also using my kettle. I'm using egg. So I want to boil my egg. We are going to cook it like moi-moi. Since we use my moi-moi pouch, this is what I'll be using for it. So this is what I'll be using. This is my moi-moi pouch. This is what I'll be using. This is what I'll be using. So watch the process with me. This is it. You can see it's even looking like beans. It's looking like beans. Watch the procedure with me. So this is the procedure. This is my corny stick. I'm going to turn it like this. Moi-moi. No more, what bite? It's smelling like moi-moi. We add our salt and mango. I'm using no. Sometimes I dilute my mango with hot water so that it can blend a lot. Like that. I add my salt. You can just gauge it yourself when I add the salt. So this is my cup that I'll be using. It's just looking like, you can see, it's looking like moi-moi. No change, nothing else. And so it's looking like moi-moi. I'm going to test it. So I'm going to still add more salt. Oh, my tomato. Yeah, you don't have to always. You don't have to. Oh, what's it clean already? Okay. Inyolua, bring stapler for me. Stapler. Check inside the basket. So for this I will be using line up. This is it. Then you can put whatever you want to put, your fish, your meat or anything. So me, I'm putting egg. You know the stapler? Yes. Now check inside my bag. Inside your bag? Oh, and yeah, my bag is inside the yara. My bag, show me bag, give me. See. Wow. Please double your line up. You need to double your line up because it can burst. Remember since I've been doubling my nine for my it doesn't bust.
She's really back one that's even.
Okay. So bring my bag. So we are using this much, and when you patch, you put them out. Make sure you wash it. Then you pour. Doesn't have to be much because it's still going to swear. So and then get them out. Okay, silly. Let's do chocolate. This is my egg. Okay, zero. Okay, place it for my drill. So you put it in. Cotton once. So this is how I put it on the gas. Whenever I want to cook moi, and I cover it, and I cover it like this. After putting my moi, I will now put my turning stick. I don't know, but that's how I used to cook my moi. So give it some time till it's done cooking to come and show you the final results. So guys, this is it. This is my review. I want to. Let's unveil. Wow. It's looking like moi. It's looking like real moi. It's still very hot. Oh. Don't drink the old. I still have some inside. I'll be taking it when it's cold. Please, I want to make it come out very well. I like to get cold. So, yes, it's looking like. You can pair it with your bread. Let me not pass bread. You can pair it with your bread. Let's see. I want to also taste it and see how it's going to look like. It just has to be very cold when you eat it. Not bad. It's not bad, honestly. So, give me water. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.